A question sparking a lot of controversy and continuing to be debated. Will AI image generation replace human photographers and stock photography sellers? And what is the impact on stock photo sales? Welcome back. Today, I will discuss a question that has sparked a lot of controversy and continues to be a topic of debate. Will AI image generation replace human photographers and stock photography sellers? And what's the impact on stock photo sales? Let's explore the various types of images that can be generated using AI and how you can benefit from them. As a photographer or stock photo seller, how does the first type of AI image generation work? The first type of AI image generation is a type that generates images from scratch. This is achieved by training neural networks on vast datasets of existing images. You can only benefit from this type once if you have used your own stock photos to train the model. A second type of AI image generation exists. The second type of AI image generation uses a combination of AI algorithms and existing images to generate new images. This type of AI image generation may use a database of existing images as a starting point, and then apply techniques such as image editing, compositing, or style transfer to generate new images. You can earn some commission from this type of AI image generation each time a platform uses your stock photos to generate new images. This can be a lucrative way to monetize your stock photos, especially if you have a large portfolio of high-quality images. The question of whether AI image generation will replace traditional photography in the photography markets. This is a question on the minds of many photographers and stock photography sellers. Yes, it is possible that some types of photography will be replaced by AI-generated images, which could lead to a decrease in demand for traditional photography. However, the future of photography in the marketplace will likely involve a combination of human-generated and AI-generated images. While AI-generated images may be able to replicate certain types of photography, the unique, high-quality, and creative images that photographers and stock photography sellers provide will continue to be in demand. In essence, although the demand for traditional photography may decline over time, the market for curated, high-quality imagery from photographers and stock photo sellers will continue to thrive alongside emerging AI-generated content. Moreover, leveraging photographs to train AI image generation models will create additional revenue streams for these creative photographers and stock photo sellers. That's a wrap. We explored the methods behind AI-generated images, their impact on traditional photography, and what the future holds. Most importantly, we discussed how you can benefit from this evolving landscape. If you found this video insightful, please hit like, follow or subscribe for more tech and photography updates, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.